Hi guys, back again with another video. Now in this video we're going to do the real life microphone sound test of the OnePlus Nord Wired Earbud. So the entire sound you're going to hear in this video is going to be from the mic here. Hello, mic testing. So this is the one. So hopefully my sound is audible enough, and this is going to be good in different scenarios. So we're going to test it right now. So let's go ahead, test the mic in different scenarios and then talk more about it. Let's go. Okay, so this is the kind of sound that you're going to get when you're riding the bike without a helmet. Don't do that, it's illegal. I am riding in a bi-lane right now. So hopefully my sound is audible enough. In this scenario, the mic is actually over here, so wind should be hitting it. Let's hope my sound is audible enough. Okay, so right now we are riding the bike with the helmet on, with the visor open. Looking for noise, but it is covered a little bit because of the extra layering that I'm wearing. Hopefully, my sound is audible. So the only kind of sound that you're going to get is helmet on, and the visor closed. In the closed helmet scenario, in this scenario, the helmet will be blocking most of the wind. But the mic is still out, it's not inside, so I don't know how much of my sound we are getting and how much of background sound we are getting. Okay, so we are doing the water sound test of the OnePlus Nord Wired Earphones. So we are next to 70 water fountains, so we are standing outside, keeping small. Hopefully my sound is audible enough and the background sound is not too overpowering. Okay, so we're doing the traffic sound test now. So I am around a lot of traffic. It actually rained heavily right now, so a lot of water. As you can see, everything is waterlogged. Hopefully, you can hear me well, and the background sound is not too overpowering. Okay, so we're in the food court now. A lot of people, a lot of shops, a lot of sound from the machineries and stuff. So hopefully my sound is audible enough. The entire sound is coming from the mic over here. So this is this low. So this is the kind of sound that you'll get when you're talking on the mic from the ear. Okay, so you've seen the video, now let's talk about my experience with this. So no matter what scenario I used it in, my problem was that it was getting a lot of the background sound. Most of the sound was coming in. My sound was good. It was not bad. I mean, it's able to pick up my sound well, but the background sound is overpowering. Now, the main reason why the mic is a little the mic is catching a lot of the background sound is because it's so low. So most of the time you'll see that the mics are generally somewhere around here, this range. This is low over here. So if you want the sound to be louder, or you don't want too much of the background sound to come in, you'll have to pick this up and then keep it near your mouth like that and then talk. Otherwise, it is going to get you all the background sound. Now, the entire sound in this video was from this microphone here. So if you like it, you've heard it. If you like it, go ahead, buy it. If you don't like it, there are other options. This is for 599 rupees. There are cheaper earphones with similar mics, but the difference is that this one, the earbuds are actually magnetic. They connect with each other. There's no function to it. It's just magnetic. And you get a full remote over here. So you get a volume up, volume down, and the play pause button over here itself. So you can control the music directly from here. You don't have to take out the phone. So that's one thing which is good. Sound quality is good. It's bass focus. So there is a lot of bass in this. So if you talk about listening to music, I didn't have any problem with it. Now this is not going to be one of the great ones like this. 5 600 rupees earphones. It's not going to be like that. But for the price, the sound is decent. Now it's your choice. If you like the sound, go ahead, buy it. If not, there are other options. So that's it for this video. If you want to see the same video in Hindi or Malayalam, I have two other channels. I'll be putting the link for that in the description too. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and the comment, and I'll see you again in another video. Bye bye.